Hello friends and hello student. My name is Ashok Sigala. In this session, we learn the text view to display our message in Android. So first, I share my laptop screen and fix the position here so you can watch better in my video lecture. And in my taskbar, that is a Eclipse editor, so Android development tools, and yes, that is folder of our workspace. I just press OK, so that start their process. Yes, and that is few seconds that appear that yes id. So here that is a in status bar you can look here them sdk is load, so that we have to not all task is complete then do our work. So yes, now I think yes ready, so all error is gone, so our previous project in package explorer is listed. And yes, now we can first step, so we can launch our device. So Android Virtual Device Manager here is there. And I already create my AVD. So I directly press start button and launch. So if you not know how to create AVD, so you can see my previous video lecture in YouTube channel. So yes, I minimize this device, and after yes that completes, so I close this window. So in background that our device is running, so we can take our new application project of Android, uh, designing and coding, so that our device is ready, so we can run directly. So let us start. So in file menu, new and Android application project, and here we can take as a message and text view. So here uh, I use as a text view, that is a output, edit text, that is a input, and input from user and it's our developer. And then one button click event, when we can press one button that edit text display in the text view. So let us start. So here I give the message underscore text tv text view. So next, yes, here no any required to change, again next. So here also no any change, I press next. And blank activity, so fourth time I press next. And now that is our java file, and that is activity underscore main, that is our layout file. So I press as a finish button. So yes, that our application is create. Yes, now that is ready. So I think that takes some process. So here you can look again that SDK load there. Yes, now that is complete. So I double click. So that is a full screen. Yes, and palette window, that is you have to know. So we here, yes, I use directly this yes that as a output. So when we can use this hello world to our as a output, that is a text view. So I take as below, and now uh, again I take as a button, but you cannot link in the text view. Yes, here just I take as a middle of our screen. Yes, now you can look that green line, horizontal and vertical, so that perfectly. And now we can take one plane, that is a uh, edit text, so that I take as here. So now we can change all three control here, that is a edit text, that button and text view. There are three control. Now we can first go in design part and change. Yes, here that by default hello world that not taking any id. So first we can provide this edit text. So here you can type android colon yes, and that id. So I press yes, here you can look, but that id is a we have to take as our previous at the rate sign. Yes, you can look in below, and plus, yes, that plus and id. So plus sign and then id, and in double quotes. So we can provide that id in slash. So we can say that that is a text view. So tv answer, yes, that I give the id. So that perfectly. And hello world I can remove. Yes, so how to remove? So yes, I just remove this line. So that text we have to provide as runtime. Or you can also change, like here we can provide like any value. We can I remove this string resource and taking as output. So here that width, so you can look here width I take, there are three possible, that is just equal and control space bar. So here that that is a control S savvy. So yes, here some what is hint. Okay, so here that is a providing hint. So id just slash that is in double quotes. So what is, yes I okay. So yes, here that taking id is creating problems. So again I click and we can take id. Yes, now yes, that perfectly. So now you can select here plus that id and then I give, yes, that is a perfectly. So answer, yes, ans tv answer. So now that giving the help. So previously not, yes, now that you can look field parent, match parent, and wrap content is default, so we can take match parent. So I can save. So now that error is gone. Yes, so here, yes, let us check. So you can look at our text view. So now I can expand. Yes, here because that is a we have to take as a match parent. Yes, yes, that jump. So I control Z, and that is same process. I taking the edit text. So edit text is a below. So yes, here that is a you can take that is a size. Yes, and that is a we can take like 15. So let us check, and that width I can also change. So wrap content to match parent, edit text, and now I take as a button. Yes, before button we have to go that ideal also I change. So ETXT, and we use as a message. So MESS message, and one button is there. So that id I also change btn. Yes, and submit, and here that text also I can change, and that is also submit. So here sub, so I control s, so all id is perfectly changed. So look now our design. So yes, here that is our edit text, that is a button, and here that taking output. Whenever we can click, so here that text will display the output. We can input here any message. So previously what to do, we can take as a toss and hello, directly hello word from first application in my YouTube channel. But here we can take some different, taking from some message from user as a edit text and press one button, so that display in the text view. So how to display one field in Android? So that is a goal of this session. So yes, our design is ready. Now we can take as coding part. So where is our file? src, and that the main activity.java file. So first we can take all control id from r.java file. So r.java file is a gen, and that is a r.java file. So let us start. So first we can take here reference. So first I take as a button b1. Yes, and yes, taking error. So why? Because that package is not import. So just over the mouse and here that suggestion, that library import button android.widget. Yes, I just click. So that error is gone. Same process, edit that text. Yes, I directly take from library. So that package is directly import. So E1, yes, that is our input. And now text view. So that is a, we can say T1. So yes, that all reference is created, and now one by one we can take like first we can take E1 and find view by id, that is a method of activity class, and r dot id. Yes, before I taking id I can save control s, and then our id is appear. So that e1 is a edit text, so etxt message and semicolon. So yes, that type casting, because find view by id is a that taking the uh, view class return data type. So here I just show you, so you can look here that return data type as a view class. So our control is a edit text, so that is a needing the typecasting, because that find view by id written as a parent class of view. And now same process, text view. So find view by id, again I use an r dot id dot that same process, and tv answer, text view that answer, and same process I take as mouse over, and then give the add cast to text view, yes, that press, and same taking from button find view by id from r.java file. So r.id.btn submit sub sub, and then same process add to cast to button. So all three id we can take from r.java file. Now what to do? So whenever user press the button, so we can display the uh, input as our edit text and then display in the text view. So we can take as set on click listener, so that is a button click event. So set on click listener, yes, I just full screen so you can watch better way, yes. And here we can take as a nameless object, and that is a anonymous inner type, so that is a one parenthesis, all on click is right, yes, by directly that syntax is appear. And here we can provide in parenthesis semicolon, yes, here that parenthesis start and that complete to here you can look. So after that we can provide here semicolon, yes. And here that error we have to take as on click listener, just taking mouse over, and that package that the view, just that taking on click listener class, by just import, so all error is gone. And now what to do? So here we can take only one line like T1. Yes, that is our text view set text. Yes, that is a method set text, and we can get text from the edit text. So E1 dot get text. So that text is displaying the text view. So only one line we have to write, and I save, that is finish our coding. So I just revise. So first I take as a design. So one, that is our edit text, that is a button, and then same hello world I use that edit text view. So we can provide as ID, that ID is not provided by edit bundle. So I default use this text view. And here also EMS, that is measurement. So here you can look our designing. So that design, that text view, that size is increased. So here you can look that is bigger. So that is a size of our edit text. And button click event, when we can press, so this message display in the text view. So coding is very easy. So here we can take three control button, edit text, and text view, three reference, that is a reference, because we have to not use a new operator or new uh, memory allocation operator. So that is a just we have to say that a reference, and all reference we can assign to appropriate ID. So find view by ID is a method of activity class, and we can use to our class because that is a main activity, extend the activity class. So we can use, and that return data type is view class. So we can need as a typecasting appropriate control. So, and then we can set on click listener, and that is a anonymous type. So here that method is event is start, and here is complete. So after parenthesis, that is semicolon. So that is a known as a anonymous inner type. And nameless object. So here we cannot provide any class name, directly taking as a nameless object. And on click we can write T1 set text and edit text, that is get text. So that is our goal of this session. So now yes, look, our I think our device is ready, so I can open. Yes, that is open. So that you can apply this technique. So when we can taking designing and coding, so background our device is ready. And now what to do? So I can run, yes, I double click. So that is our package explorer, that screen original display, and we can select our project and right click and run as. And you can also use this button. So here that button is there. So you can also run this now. that is a running. You can look in the status bar here, that is start. Yes, or apk original apk means Android package file is created in bin folder. You can look here now that file is created. So message underscore, previously these two file is not in this folder, but whenever we can compile or launch our apps, so that class dex dalvik executable file and message dot android apk android package file is created. Now yes, that our yes succeed. You can look here that message is appear, so no any error. And yes, that display. So I type any message, so we can say that hello world, yes, from Android. So any word, any message you have to type, and when I press the submit button, so that is a display in yes in text view. So that is a, we can take as a hello world in different way. So here we can use as a T Android control, and that known as a user screen element. So that is our goal. So I just remove and print any message. So we can say that Android apps, yes, Android apps. We can say that development, just any message. So Android apps development. So yes, we cannot go in back. So development, yes, I press yes, that message is changed at the same time. So now I can back key and write any message. So we can say that BCA SAM 6 is a Android is there. So BCA SAM and then Android. So I just press submit button. So that message is changed, and I back button also this device. So yes, I back press. So where is our apps? I again open this device. So yes, our that message, yes, here so many apps is there, but our that currently where our application is message underscore TV text view. So I click this icon. So again launch, yes, and you can type any. So we can say that this is a Android apps. Yes, that simple any message and then submit. So you can look here. This is a Android apps. So yes, an Android because that is a so AEIOU, that is a mobile. So you have to know. And now I print this is a pen. Yes, any. This is a computer, whatever. This is a ADT, whatever. So at a, so I back press and again run. So you can look now. I can give some. This is a ADT or an ADT. Yes, an is there. So ADT. So Android Development Tools. So yes, I press submit. This is an ADT. So yes, perfectly. So I can also revise. So very simple. And look here, our coding is very simple. So we can take in design part, there are three controls. That is first, that is a, we can already, one use is a text view, that is hello world is right by default in Android. So here we can use as a edit text and one button and text view. So whenever user press in submit button, that output is displaying the text view. That is our goal of these apps. And that we can take three reference button, edit text and text view. And then I simple take from all ID from r.java file. So that is our residence r.java all ID is a, this maintained by r.java file. And then set on click listener. Yes, here anonymous type, I think you have to know in advanced Java. So J2EE you have to learn in 5th sem in BCS student. So that is a anonymous type, nameless object, and whole parenthesis that on click listener register and on click event is fire. Yes, so that is, and here that we can text, set text and get text. So only one line. So that is our coding. So yes, I hope you can understand and enjoy this session. So that is very simple apps I develop for you. So now I can close this session. So yes, subscribe my channel Ashok Sijala Academy. Press the bell icon to never miss any update. Thanks for your watching, supporting, and sharing my video lecture. And any doubt or regarding these apps, you can write in comment line. I give the definitely answer to you. Thanks again and Hare Krishna.